Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy mover today. Things were looking fantastic. I mean, the price was absolutely exploding upwards. And then by the time the dust had settled, basically the price went right back to where it started. So not exactly a sign of true strength or genuine momentum on the day. But overall, what I want to do is more so look at just not necessarily just today, but look at several days here. Because big picture wise, there's now a couple of key levels that really stand out from the technical point of view that I think a lot of people are watching. And that's important because when a lot of people are watching certain levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level that, like I said, I think a lot of people are going to be watching, maybe not the exact same price, but the general level is this trend line right here. There's no doubt about it, now that we have more data from today, that this general trend line here, by using these couple of points here, did a fantastic job of forecasting that area right there. So a point here being, and like I said, I'm not saying the exact specific price, but right around, let's call it $115-ish, give or take, is going to be a very important level going forward. And while none of this is guaranteed, my core point here is that it's a very valid, it's a more than rational thought to be having, that if the price can eventually work itself back up to that trend line and get the break up through it, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that's certainly going to be a level that you're going to want to keep an eye on moving forward. As far as levels of support are concerned, keep a very close eye now on that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. I mean, even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, it tends to act as support. So keep an eye on that at right around 107. If 107 is violated, the next key level of support that, I'd look for the price to at minimum revisit would be down there around the 105 mark. But overall, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.